Bacteria found on money is threatening our healthy lives more seriously than we know. Among 3,000 types of bacteria found on banknotes, well-known bacteria lethal to public health are Salmonella, Staphylococcus aureus, Staphylococcus epidermidis, Bacillus dysentery, E. coli, and Candida albicans. These cause a variety of diseases such as skin infection, respiratory disease, food poisoning, and others. Sterilization and disinfection have become a global issue because of the many types of diseases caused by bacterial contamination. SMI has developed a money sterilizer called in financial institutions and the public from diseases that arise from contaminated bills, and furthermore, promote their health. This innovative money sterilizer can eliminate 99.9% of bacteria in just 30 seconds by releasing plasma-generated cluster ions into the air instead of utilizing the existing UV ray or germicide methods. The plasma-generated cluster ion generator fitted in this money sterilizer creates more than 19 million positive and negative plasma-generated cluster ions respectively. These plasma-generated cluster ions penetrate every corner of a bill, surrounding harmful microbes which then turn into proteins or water, H2O, making them harmless to the human body. Because plasma-generated cluster ions instantly surround and decompose microbes, this sterilizer ensures quick and highly effective sterilization. After sterilization, the plasma-generated cluster ions remain inside the money sterilizer for 5 to 10 seconds so that sterilization can be continued. This machine can also be used for coins. As a money sterilizer, M-Care can be utilized in places such as banks, post offices, malls, supermarkets, and other places with cash transactions.
Now mask.
UV light treatment is a non-thermal, non-chemical technology to inactivate microorganisms. It has been used to disinfect water and air systems and for decontamination of packaging and work surfaces for many years. Current industrial applications include surface decontamination of food products, such as bread. In Camden BRI's ultraviolet light tunnel system, the product can be treated from both above and below. The system can be adjusted depending on the product being treated. As well as bread, it can also be used to treat a variety of products, such as fruit, vegetables, meat, and fish. Treatment with ultraviolet energy does not leave a residue and does not require extensive safety equipment to utilize. It is easy to use and is relatively inexpensive in terms of equipment, energy use, and maintenance.
This might look like Virgin Atlantic's newest super hip lighting scheme, but it's actually Boeing's prototype self-cleaning bathroom. That glow isn't mood lighting. It's an ultraviolet light that can zap 99.99% of germs your fellow flyers leave behind. When you close the door behind you, 2 sets of UV lights will turn on and disinfect the whole tiny room in just 3 seconds. For extra protection, the faucet, soap dispenser, hand dryer, and toilet seat will all be hands-free. In between flights, airline crews will still manually clean the lavatory, since there are some messes no amount of sunlight can tackle. If you're hoping to get bronzed on your way to the Bahamas, though, you're out of luck. Boeing's UV rays aren't the kind you see in tanning salons. And they should only turn on when the lav is unoccupied. So maybe your middle seat isn't going to get bigger anytime soon, but at least your time on that other seat should be a little more pleasant.